everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make Waze app talk. Also, if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. To make Waze app talk, first make sure you have installed Waze app in your mobile phone. Then open your Waze application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged in. Then it will be taken into this interface. Now tap on three lines at top left corner. Then go to settings at third. Now tap on voice and sound at third. To make sure Waze app talk, tap on at sound side. This will make Waze app talk. You can also choose Waze app to talk during alert only by tapping on the option of alerts only at sound. You can also choose voices you like by tapping on Waze voice. Select any voice you want by tapping on the circle at the left side. With this, you will be able to successfully make Waze app talk. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.